roll. She'll push 45 for side 2. She'll half roll, pull 45 for side 3. She'll half roll again, push 45 for side 4. That's half a stop sign. A half a roll and a 45-degree pull for side 5. A half a roll and a push for side 6. Half a roll and a pull for side 7. And a half a roll and a push for side 8. There she is, the only lady who is doing the inside-outside octagon loop. Was connected to this amazing airframe built by North American Aviation. It made the Mustang what is believed by many to be the best fighter in all of World War II. Featuring a laminar flow wing faster than anything known before. Look at the precision of that Scooter got checked out in this airplane when he was just 20 years old. He rolls to the left and stops it there and now tumbles to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 times across the line. You were talking about the 50. I'm going to say hi to them right now. We're just from here. Right where I'm at. There's a bunch of guys riding motorcycles. And if you got a motorcycle license, come down and get on a Suzuki and ride around. There's a huge area. There's a lot of people having fun, and it's all about Suzuki today. Yes, indeed, and Elias Corey is out there to take care of it. Now it looks, hey, now you're working that Hartzell propeller. There you go, a little backwards for you. That's called a torque roll. Capable hands for it to do as he approaches 200 feet. Now he's doing it down at show right because of the area down there where he can land and take off vertically. Vertical landing. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to Art Knowles and the Royal Navy Sea Harrier. We've got us a race today. Chris Darnell in this 7,000-pound jet-powered world record-holding truck is going to be going over 320 miles per hour on the runway. We'll have a standing start from the jet truck. We'll have a diving start from Rob Holland. And from the opposite direction, Bill Stein. 36,000 horsepower. Top speed of the two airplanes are somewhere around. Here comes Bill Stein. Oh, Rob Holland's upside down. He's going to do this. So is Bill Stein. Here we go. And they're off. They cross.
I felt the heat.
Let's give it up for Chris Darnell, Rob Holland,
What'd you think?
Bill Stein, and the Tora Bomb Squad.
Alright, you guys want to walk back to that grassy field?
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the Blue Angels? Now, to your left, Commander Doyle calls smoke on. Off brakes now. Burners ready now. And the Blue Angel Diamond is rolling. As they pass before you, you will notice that the smoke is not visible. Commander Doyle
calls for all 4 pilots to simultaneously select full afterburner. As they pass over center point, you will hear and feel the thunder of 8 engines producing 128,000 pounds of thrust.